doesn't feel good.
It's one of these. Whoa.
We need to just exhaust.
Whoa.
Even though it may not feel good.
Yo. We're here about to go to we're about to go to our favorite. Sure.
Very nice.
He said that what happened?
Sit down, bro.
Are you on video crackdown?
I would like pancakes.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Okay.
I had to come.
Do you guys have lunch special like orange chicken?
No, not it.
Oh
No.
Not an orange
That's
chicken.
my favorite.
How about you?
What?
This guy don't know.
What special you getting here?
You could order a combination here.
Oh, okay, that's not
Combination.
bad. Okay.
Okay, orange
What are you
chicken.
Can I get water?
Yes.
Yeah, orange chicken for me.
Okay. How about you?
Yeah,
I'll get you one, sir.
Orange chicken? All
Why
right.
try
Does that
something
come with soup?
different? So we
Yeah.
can all
you know what?
share.
Oh yeah.
Can I
yeah,
get
yeah.
a,
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we share.
do you guys like beef and broccoli?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, get
Beef and broccoli?
Do you like beef and broccoli?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll share. We'll share.
Yeah.
See, you already told us to share, didn't you? We should have listened to it in the first place.
I like your ring. It's turquoise.
No, Jay.
Oh, sorry.